Welcome to our exploration of the fascinating geography of India. In this video, we will uncover the diverse landscapes, geological features, and climatic conditions that define this incredible country. India, located in South Asia, is the seventh largest country globally, covering over 3.28 million square kilometers. This subcontinent boasts a variety of terrains and ecosystems. From lush plains to towering mountains, there's much to discover. Let's start with its remarkable borders. India shares its frontiers with several countries, including Bangladesh, China, Pakistan, Nepal, Myanmar, and Bhutan, totaling over 15,000 kilometers of land borders. Notably, the Himalayan mountain range marks India's northern edge, housing its highest peak, Kanchenjunga, at an impressive 8,586 meters. India's geography also includes major water bodies. The Ganges, known for its cultural significance, is the country's longest river, flowing 2,525 kilometers. Other important water features include Loktak Lake, one of India's largest freshwater lakes, and the expansive Chilika Lake. India's climate varies greatly across its regions. The northern areas experience alpine conditions, while the southern regions are typically tropical, creating diverse weather patterns. The southwest monsoon significantly influences agriculture, providing essential rainfall to the fertile Indo-Gangetic Plain. Geologically, India occupies the Indian Plate, formed from the ancient continent of Gondwanaland. This plate collided with the Eurasian Plate, leading to the formation of the Himalayas and significant tectonic activity. As a result, India is sometimes called the fastest continent, with ongoing geological transformations. India consists of 6 primary physiographic regions: the northern mountains, the peninsular plateau, the Indo-Gangetic Plain, the Thar Desert, the coastal plains, and the numerous islands. Each region has its unique characteristics and ecological significance. The northern mountains, primarily the Himalayas, are crucial for climate regulation. The range acts as a barrier, protecting northern India from cold winds. It is also the source of major rivers that sustain the surrounding regions. Moving to the peninsular plateau, this stable land is the oldest part of India. Here, you'll find vital ranges like the Western and Eastern Ghats, which play a role in transforming monsoon rains into rich soil for agriculture. The Indo-Gangetic Plain, one of the most fertile areas globally, supports agriculture for millions. It is nourished by sediments from the Ganges and its tributaries, making it a hub for crops like rice and wheat. The Thar Desert presents a stark contrast with its arid landscape, supporting unique flora and fauna adapted to the harsh climate. Despite its dryness, the Thar contributes to India's ecological diversity. Moving towards the coastal regions, the eastern and western coastal plains embrace lush beaches and vital fishing industries. These areas are crucial for trade and tourism. India is a diverse country with 28 states and 8 union territories. It's essential to understand how these regions compare in terms of area. Today, we focus on the largest states, starting with Rajasthan, which occupies an impressive 10.4% of India's total area. Following Rajasthan is Madhya Pradesh, covering 9.4%, and Maharashtra, just behind at 9.36%. These states reflect India's varied geography and culture. Next up, we have Uttar Pradesh at 7.3%. Gujarat ranks 5th, spanning 5.9%. Karnataka comes next, covering 5.8%, followed closely by Andhra Pradesh at 5%. Let's keep going. Odisha takes up 4.7%, while Chhattisgarh covers 4.1%. Tamil Nadu and Telangana follow behind at 4.0% and 3.4%, respectively. Now, Bihar occupies 2.9% of India's area, with West Bengal at 2.7%. The remaining 25% consists of various other states and territories, showcasing India's rich diversity. It's worth noting some complexities. There are disputed areas surrounding Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir, significantly affecting total area statistics. Areas claimed by India but administered by other nations include significant territories in Azad Kashmir and Gilgit-Baltistan. Currently, the Indian government lists the total area at around 32,87,263 square kilometers. However, discrepancies exist in various reports from different organizations, making this a topic of ongoing discussion. To summarize, India is comprised of multiple states and union territories, each unique in size and cultural identity. Remember, Rajasthan leads in area, with Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra following close behind. Have you ever wondered about the stunning islands of India? With a total of 1,382 islands, India boasts a rich maritime landscape. Join us as we explore the diverse islands, from the Andaman and Nicobar Islands to Lakshadweep. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are a captivating group of 572 islands located in the Bay of Bengal. Among these islands, you'll find the Great Andaman Islands and the Nicobar Archipelago. Each island has unique features and attractions. Let's look at some key islands. The North Andaman Island offers stunning natural beauty, while Ross Island showcases a mix of history and nature. North Sentinel Island is famous for its indigenous tribe, which remains largely untouched by modern civilization. Next, we have the Lakshadweep Islands, an enchanting archipelago of 12 atolls, 3 reefs, and 5 submerged banks. With about 39 islands, this destination is known for its beautiful beaches and vibrant coral reefs. A mini island and Kadamat Island are a must-visit for beach lovers. Southern India's islands also hold intrigue. The 7 islands of Mumbai, including Kolarba and Worli Islands, form a bustling urban landscape. Meanwhile, unique floating islands in northeast India, such as those found in the Nongkhim River, offer a captivating glimpse of nature. Across the nation, islands play a vital role in India's culture, economy, and ecology. They provide livelihoods through fishing, tourism, and more, while preserving rich biodiversity. In summary, India's islands highlight a blend of beauty, culture, and biodiversity. They invite us to explore their unique offerings. Ready to discover these islands yourself? Start planning your visit and experience the wonders of India's maritime heritage today.
Welcome to our channel. Disclaimer: this channel does not promote any illegal activities, and all contents in this channel is for educational purposes only. Our channel based videos promoting for educational tutorials, famous quotes of the world, biological, historical, and geographical facts, genius stories, and biography. Please follow or subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.